How to fix unable to insert columns in Excel. Here are some troubleshooting tips if you are unable to insert columns in Excel. Check if the worksheet is protected. A protected worksheet will prevent inserting columns. Go to Review tab and uncheck Protection if enabled. Unmerge any merged cells. Merged cells can sometimes block inserting columns. Select merged cells and unmerge them. Right-click on merged cells. Check for column width of 0. If a column has width set to 0, it may not allow inserting new columns. Select column and increase width. Watch for overflow. Worksheet already has the max number of columns, 16,384 in older versions or 1,048,576 in newer version, you cannot add more. Delete unused columns. Try deleting extra columns you don't need to make space for new ones you want to insert. Move data out of the way. Cut and paste data in the way into another sheet to insert columns in an empty space. Use the Insert dialog box. Go to Insert cells and specify the shift direction to push cells right or left. Check formula references. Formulas referring to shifted cells may need to be updated after inserting columns. Save and reload the file. Try saving, closing, and reopening the problematic Excel file to reset. If you still can't insert columns, your last resort may be to repair or reinstall Excel to fix potential corruption issues.